Una no want to when I tell lie Joy. Upon the old dragging, the old tagging, the old posting of picture of baby, it no come out can't say anything. It no come out can't drag them. It no come out can't insult anybody. It leave them, make they talk with it, they talk. But before I go into this matter, make I greet you. I greet you according to your time, wherever you are watching me for. Please give me like and love. Share this video for me, and don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Thank you, my people. So, my people, now know what they solve since how many days now. Picture where they fly up and down, one small baby picture of where they do birthday, 3 years birthday, where they fly up and down for inside social media. Where the picture they fly up and down, they say now Joy and I get the pikin. To born pikin not be bad thing. The only thing I do that video that very day say, make Joy if you be saying I really not true, may not deny pikin because of any year marriage finish. But this woman that they drag this girl every day. I say na bad thing to born pikin. I don't understand. Even mothers they say na just they drag this matter, they drag this matter. What if say this pikin say really this pikin not gonna be Joy? What if? Una just go they find if una not see anything wey una go analyze again, una go begin they find they diggy they find what una where they find what no they find una. But when they do una now make small una draw the up make it fall for ground or una open ground make everybody enter. What una they do safe? All these bloggers there. May una rest. Zukwali ke may una rest in Jesus' name. You both should rest. Joy every blessed day. Joy every blessed day. Make una rest. You people should rest. Una don't tag this picture. Tag and tire. This is very bad of you people. Bringing out this baby picture. Now something where I don't understand. Make una stop. Any little thing now go bring mama picture, now go bring papa picture, now go bring this one, now they find what you know they found now. Since then now this girl not come at answer una. The only video we post yesterday, video where they say he can't advertise the hair way she the hair person they do advert. Yeah, where they pay make she hair person do advert. But yet people now they insult her for that comment section, they call her copy. The last time I checked, Mary, not they do business. You not be a vendor. I wish person again una cause say they copy. Or Joy not get right to do business again. The last time I checked, Mary not they say her. So which person again? So because of one person they support Mary. So fear no let Joy do if they give her advert make it do of that kind of business. The person not Joy not go say no, he not go fit to make people not cut us say be copy. Una too much. Una lack of knowledge is too much. I know whether na locality I go call am, what I go call I don't understand. Na thinking, lack of think. The way you people think, I don't understand. Do you mean say Joy don't have right for that Nigeria to do or to venture into any business he wants to do? Any little to now say copy. Who is they copy? Even if say Mary they do before Mary starter, not be person you see when he starter, or Mary is the first person say na go they do that kind of business. I call her copy. She is copying, she is do this one, she is do this one. So because of that fear not go let her find money again. I really appreciate the way she not come and sound. I know that they for fool herself there. Continue to tag the picture of that baby. Continue to the drag her, born pikin, not born pikin. He born pikin, not born pikin. Make una arrest. If you say not be born now, not be born, make una leave her for her and God and the pikin. Make una arrest. Now too much. Now too much. They go just break like una just sit down for front of camera or carry on a camera face and say, now go just drag this girl. If any one person come out now drag Mary, una say make now make mona buy. Now begin they tag the person, they tag the family, they tag the picture, they do this one, make mona buy. Now they drag this girl and say not be woman be. Why I not go drag Regina Daniel? When I go drag Regina Daniel now, my people. Not be small sorty. Now just they drag this matter now. No matter where don't fit to since that can't bring her come out because no new thing to analyze again. Now can't begin they find what not found now. I see say when I get when our own life they very clean and pure. Now not the sin. My people, more now share this video when you come across this video. Share this video for me. Thank you so much, my people. See you, my people.